Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, April 17th. Remember that the market is closed tomorrow for Good Friday, so there'll be no morning brief, and we'll see you on Monday. Looking at the calendar for today, we've got some 8:30 numbers coming out here in about 20 minutes. We've got unemployment claims, we've got Philly Fed manufacturing index, building permits, and housing starts. Those are all important numbers to the economy. So I do expect the market to be volatile during that time. We also at 10:30 we have natural gas storage. We also another red item for Europe. 8:45 we have ECB press conference. So that'll be interesting because that may have some trade or tariff implications that are discussed. So 8:45 also. 11:45 we have FOMC member Barr speaking, and that is it for the day. So most of the news will be between 8:30 and 8:45 a.m. We'll see what happens. Looking at charts, the daily we had a down day yesterday, and I don't know if we are just making this more defined or if it's just going sideways, but it still looks like a pennant or a bull flag. So we'll have to wait and see how this pans out. Again, volume, absolutely pathetic. Pathetic volume, which to me really says the whole story. The market's just not engaging. And I think that's because of the tariff situation and the uncertainty surrounding the implementation of the tariffs. Until we get some clarity, there's going to be just very little interest. And then we are not going to do anything until we know exactly what this means one way or another. Still below the moving averages, however, they are creeping down. Still a bearish scenario, and in a short term, as well as longer term, medium term, I guess you could say, downtrend. All right, looking at the inventory. Inventory was positive yesterday, about 7,000 contracts on down price action. This is the second day we've had this divergence between the two. And, again, I still think there is enough retail traders out there that just keep trying to buy the dip. Like I said before, and I've said many times, when these guys get burned, the market will really have an ugly, ugly sell-off because they are the weak hands. We'll just have to wait and see how that all pans out. As we cannot predict the market, we can only make educated guesses. Overnight action, well, it's approximately 78 points overnight. That's way above average, about 4 times average. However, that's about normal for the last week or two. So where do we have support and resistance? We've got a nice little area for resistance up here at 53.93. Of course, the whole number, 5,400. We get above that. There's some confluence up here around 54.36 and 54.6275 support. There's a band of support. There's right in this area, 52.60. 5,300, of course, will also be some support, but that's kind of in the range. Below that, 52.51. Below 52.51, it kind of gets ugly. Next spot would be 52.36. So those are your numbers for support and resistance. The Stock Traders Almanac. It's Friday. It feels like Friday. 52.4% chance the market will be up. That is from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great long weekend and a good day off tomorrow. I'll see you Monday. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.